This tutorial is about one of my favorite moves from capoeira, from the family of rollés. This one is called the S rollé. And I really find it useful because it's a very easy way to go from a lying down position into a higher position and vice versa. Let's start in that position we could call a tripedal, where we have one support leg bent and the other kind of extended, with an external rotation in the hip. From here we're going to push on both feet and the support hand to raise the pelvis higher and bring the other hand in line with the first hand. Transfer the weight to the hands and slide that leg we were sitting on initially. So as we pivot around that front foot, we want our hips to end up perpendicular to the line they were facing initially. The last element we need to master to really have an efficient S rollé is the bouncy motion that happens that allows you to propel yourself forward with that foot that just landed. So for that, I suggest you practice this kind of weird drill I'm performing here, where we have one pivot foot and one foot that goes around, and you turn 180 degrees going from one side to the other, always bouncing back and forth with the same foot. This will teach you the weight transfer mechanism that we have to understand for this motion, but also for other movements. So once you understood the steps of the S rollé, you want to start applying that weight transfer thing we were mentioning just before, propelling yourself forwards after you've been swinging that leg around.